relationship issues, failing marriage, disputes in married life, issues of infidelity, extramarital affairs. These are very common these days. But the main problem does not only lie in your birth chart, it also resonates to the Vastu of your home. There are certain specific placements, certain specific things that you need to check in the Vastu of your home that are giving you relationship troubles, that are giving you those problems that you should not be having in your life, like a delayed marriage or frequent disputes in marriage, or the problem of alcoholism or substance abuse, or even extramarital affairs. All that can be seen from the Vastu of your home very clearly, precisely. In today's video, I will be discussing 3 extremely important points that you need to check. First is, check if there are mirrors at the entrance of your home or in the dining area of your home. Now, this is a very popular myth that placing mirrors in the dining area or at the entrance doubles up things, or it increases the positive energy. Well, there cannot be a false statement in this. Having mirrors in your dining area or at the entrance of your home brings you only addiction. Having mirrors at the entrance and in the dining area of your home acts as a poison to your marital life. It is the only reason for the biggest marital discords and people getting involved in extramarital affairs. Such is the placement. You should by all means avoid placing mirrors at the entrance and in the dining area. Now, the second thing you need to check if you are having a case of a delayed marriage in your home. Check the room in which that person is sleeping. If the room happens to be in the northeast direction or the northeast corner of your house, you need to replace or displace that person from that room, because northeast is a magnet. Northeast is a very calming energy. It is not suitable for people who are looking to leave their home and go to a new home or getting married. That is not that kind of energy. It cools you down. So the best direction for a person who is looking to get married is to sleep in the northwest direction. The females should have their bedroom in the northwest direction if they are looking to get married. Now, northwest is the direction of Vayu, air. That is the direction of displacement. That is the direction of movement. The moment you do that switch, very easily you'll be able to find a partner in your life. Now again, if a couple is having conception issues, they are not able to conceive, if they place or move their bedroom to the southeast direction of their home, where naturally Agni element is more, they will be able to conceive. But this is only for conception. The moment the person conceives, they should shift their bedroom from the southeast, because excess of fire is also not good for a conceived woman, for a pregnant lady. It is not good. So the moment person conceives, they should move away from that bedroom. Vastu is very personal, deeply customizable. It depends on the placement of planets in your chart. Your chart exactly mirrors the Vastu of your home. You cannot run away from it. You have to live with it. You have to do remedies in accordance to it. That is where the key lies. And that is why most of the general Vastu remedy fails. Another very important point you need to remember while selecting a new house. Now, this is especially important for couples who are going in for a new house or who are already there in a house which has a very narrow kitchen with doors on both the sides. Like, one is the entrance and the other door towards the end of the kitchen opens in a balcony. Now, this is a very common phenomenon in modern day flats. But this is a definitive placement that leads to marital discord and even extramarital affairs eventually in some cases. So be very watchful and not to opt for these kind of flats where there are double opening in a kitchen. This is almost a sure shot guarantee that your marital life will run into troubles no matter what the placement of planets is there in your chart. I hope today's video will be extremely helpful. Do subscribe to my channel. Please watch my videos till the end. I have made a lot of content and it takes a lot of effort to make such videos. I will keep on bringing such valuable insights in the field of Vastu so that you are able to understand what exactly it is and how to apply it correctly in your lives. Vastu is never about hanging 2 or 4 paintings in your home or demolishing or pasting strips in your home. That is not Vastu. Do not fall for fake Vastu and traps. People who do not know astrology cannot do Vastu. It is absolutely incomplete. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. Over to the next one. Bye-bye.